This is a thermal zone air conditioner at another commercial property. This is only the second thermal zone unit I have ever seen. And it is very quiet. And then we have a Payne ductless unit right here. Which I have never seen before. And a Bryant from 2002. Payne is very quiet. And the thermal zone's actually pretty quiet too. And I am pretty sure these are both straight cool units with gas furnaces, and the Payne might be a heat pump, but I'm not sure. That might just be a cool only. Trying to see if I can... Oh, that's a heat pump. Looks like it says heat pump on the data sheet. Yeah, I think the Payne is a heat pump and the other two are straight cool units. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.